Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will learn how to perform wudu before Salah.
The first step of wudu is to wash both hands 3 times. Keep your hands under the running water and wash carefully between every finger so the water reaches everywhere.
Next, wash your mouth 3 times. Next, we clean our nose 3 times. Sniff a little water into the nose and blow it out, just like this.
Next, wash your whole face 3 times. Make sure the water touches everything from the top of your forehead down to your chin and across to your earlobes. Next, wash your arms up to the elbows 3 times. Always start with your right arm first, making sure the water reaches everywhere from your fingertips to your elbow. Now, perform masa only 1 time. Keep your cap off, wipe your head from front to back, clean your ears with your fingers, and wipe the back of your neck like this. Finally, wash your feet 3 times up to the ankles. Always start with your right foot first, then wash your left foot, making sure to clean between your toes. After finishing wudu'in, look towards the sky. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah. وَأَشْهَدُ أَنَّ مُحَمَّدًا عَبْدُهُ وَرَسُولُهُ. Please remember, always make sure that you don't waste too much water. Allah loves those who are clean and careful. I hope you have learned how to perform wudu in these easy steps. And remember, always ask your parents to help you.
If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.